said that you are going to fast unto death. You have announced already. So, what is the reason that has compelled you to take such a drastic call?
I have given the government of India enough chances. I have also spoken to the people in the Congress. If they think that by delaying us and keeping us on hold, we will keep quiet, then it makes no sense. I have lost everything. And I think I have to show solidarity with my tribal people. They have given me everything. And people of Tiprasa people have become a joke. If today I cannot give up my life in luxury and stay in the national highway and fast unto death, if I have to die, I will die. But I will get something for my life. Time does not wait for anyone, and we cannot be taken lightly. So yes, this is my way of telling the government of India, we are your children. You have spoken to everyone. You have spoken to us also. But why is there so long to take a decision? Either you want us or you don't want us. But make up your mind. Because our people are suffering and I cannot see my people suffer like this.
When is your fast and
We are going to meet, the entire party is going to meet tomorrow. And maybe in the next 2-3 days we will take up the matter.
Maharaj, what exactly your demands are?
Because in writing, we want a constitutional solution. And that's the reason Mr. Mishra came down. That's the reason what the government of India also agreed that there needs to be further improvement of the constitutional status of the indigenous people of Tripura. Our tribal people are landless. We don't have an option on which script to write our exams on. We have only 2% of funding coming to the ADC areas, while 35% of the people stay there. This is our land. We have to accept it. Maybe from any community, you have to accept. Tripura belongs to the Tripuri people. Then why are they in this position? Why can't there be justice for our indigenous people without hurting other communities? I am not asking for people from Bangladesh to be thrown back. I am not asking people to vote for my party, so that we are asking for our basic constitutional rights. Economy, education, infrastructure, political rights, language, culture, and a better future for our next generation. That's what we are asking for. Why can't the people give that in writing? Will it upset another group of people so much? If they say we will do good to you, then will it upset other people? I don't think so. I think this is just politics being played.
And who is playing the politics?
All politicians play politics. I am not playing politics. If I had to play politics, I could have done a lot of politics before the assembly election and even after. There has been no politics from our end because I know that beyond politics there is a community, and community has to always be bigger than the politics.
Where are the talks get stuck?
I don't know. You'll have to ask the people. मेरे गले में तो कुछ अटका नहीं है. अगर उनके गले में कुछ अटका है तो वो बताए.
I mean, you have been in the Delhi for so long, and you have.
I was there for 10-12 days. When nobody can accuse me of not trying. So they have to make up their mind.
And what about the Lok Sabha elections coming?
What about Lok Sabha elections? Whoever gives us a constitutional solution in writing, we will support them. Whoever does not, we will not be with them.
So your doors are open for all parties?
My doors are only open to people who will give it to me in writing, an assurance, a constitutional solution.
Thank you.
क्या आपका भी सपना है कि आपका बच्चा मेडिकल फील्ड में जाए, लेकिन आपको ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि आपके बच्चे के लिए कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट बेस्ट रहेगा? आपकी इस परेशानी का समाधान हमारे पास है। आप आज ही अपने बच्चे को जीटी इंस्टीट्यूट में एडमिशन दिला दो। यहाँ आपको मेडिकल के कोर्स कराए जाते हैं, जैसे ऑपरेशन थिएटर टेक्नोलॉजी, मेडिकल लैब टेक्नोलॉजी, रेडियोलॉजी टेक्नीशियंस, डायलिसिस टेक्नीशियंस आदि। यहाँ आपको डिग्री और डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज भी मिल जाते हैं और ये यूजीसी अप्रूव्ड है। अधिक जानकारी के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए नंबर पर कॉल करो या एड्रेस पर विजिट करो।